Hey guys, Clint and I just finished up at the home here in Mountain Brook. Just kind of take mental note of how much it's rained here in the past week. Last I checked, it's rained about a week straight. This house had 82% moisture levels when we started. 39% right now. Must work. Okay, go ahead and kick my shoes off here. Go ahead. Once again, for about the 50th crawl space in a row, we've had this huge trench area to work with. This is nearly as tall as I am. Get here and give you guys a shot. We'll start making our way around the crawl space here for all you guys to see. Had several piers to work with here. Had a big chimney over in here. I'll try to get a shot of that here in just a minute. Excuse me while I jump up here. Okay. I'm going to give you guys a shot of this wall. As always, this is a 12 mil fiberglass reinforced poly. We no longer have any moisture coming up into this house. We no longer have any musky odors. My customer here, she told me Friday before we left, she said, Tanner, you wouldn't believe the difference in smell inside this house. And if you guys know anything about Mountain Brook subdivision in Cleveland, these are very, very nice homes. You know, which comes to remind me of a friend of mine that called me up this past Friday, asking me if I come take a look at his crawl space this week. And he told me on the phone, he said, now Tanner, I want you to come look at it because I know there's different levels of things you guys do. And I stopped him right there. I said, actually, there is not different levels of things we do. See, when you call me is when you want something fixed. Let me tell you guys something for everybody watching this video right now. If you're wanting half-assed, if you're wanting cheap-assed, you don't call me. I'm the guy you call when you want stuff fixed. When you're looking for first class, not half-assed. Not, Tanner, can you get this done so we can get this house sold? You don't call me. Tanner, we need to do this so our inspector will let us pass. You don't call me. Tanner, listen, we want to take care of our home. We're not looking to move. We want to protect our investment. We don't want to let moisture come in here and rot these floors out. That's when you call me. That's when you pick up the phone and dial 423-503-0512. When you want it fixed right, when you want it done, when you want to spend your money one time and not have to turn around and spend it again in 6 months when somebody's Band-Aid ain't working for you, that's when you call me. Look at that chimney. Let me just get over here just to show you guys how much we don't cut any corners. You see all these cutouts and these bricks and these step-ups? That's what we do. That's what we do. Look at that. Looks like a freaking Christmas present under here. Wish you guys could smell the difference. Wish you could smell the difference. You wouldn't believe it. You wouldn't believe it. Unless you were here to smell it for yourself. And you had smelled it last week while we were working. Check out the back side of this chimney here. Going down here to this last little section. Let me try to stop here and give you guys a shot. We've currently dropped the moisture levels 43%, which actually, if you want to look at it another way, there were 82% when we started. 50% of that would be 41%. We've currently got it down to 39. So I guess you could say we have cut this crawl space down by 50%. I'll give you one last shot right over here before I end this video. All right, guys, here we are. Try to give you a couple shots of this real quick. Need to thank Clint Presley. Need to thank Matt Freitag. Need to thank Willie Austin with Austin Electric for all of our electrical needs. And you guys always know who to call when you're ready to get stuff fixed right. When you're ready to have it taken care of, you call Tennessee Technicians. Hey guys, normally I don't mention customers' names, but my friend here, John Loving, we've done work for him in the past, and he said he'd like to share a few words with you guys, so here you go, John.
Tanner and his crew just finished doing the crawl space encapsulation, and it really looks nice, and the humidity level has already dropped way down from where it was. We had mold under the house, and this is going to cure a lot of ills. Plus, it really looks nice, and I'm sure it's going to add to the value of the house when we sell it someday.
Well, John, I appreciate that, and just wanted him to share that with you guys. And as always, you guys know how to contact me, 423-503-0512. Thanks so much.